Alright, I am Mark Tantlinger, and this is Daniel Tantlinger. Today we're going to be shooting a 45, a 38 Special, an SKS, that's semi-automatic. I got about 80 rounds for that. Standard 22. This is the first time we're going to be shooting this black powder rifle ever, so we'll see how that goes. And a Benelli Nova shotgun.
Awesome, let's do it.
Let it go. This is a 50 caliber muzzle loader, which I've never loaded or fired before. They told me to put 2 pellets in there, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to load the pellets and the bullet in, and then the percussion cap, and we shall see. At least the pellets go in there easily. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Hopefully there's an extender for this, because it's going all the way down. There it is.
50 caliber, muzzle loader, shot 1.
And my ears are ringing.
That was pretty sweet. Right there's where it hit. We're gonna see if we can get there.
50 caliber rifle, shot 2.
There we go.
That is a crap ton of smoke.
It is.
12 gauge, shotgun, shot 1.
Gray, that gray dot, that silver dot up,
Yeah.
with the red reticle in front. That's how
Alright.
you're gonna aim. You want to tuck that in closer to your shoulder. There you go. Tuck it in close.
That has a kick!
Alright, ready and go. Did I hit it?
Oh. SKS, optical sight. Let's see how well I can center this bad boy.
My first time shooting a Russian SKS. Take 1.
You got it, Daniel?
Huh?
Making sure he's recorded.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright. Do I look like Alright. Oh, I should probably take... The hell's...
Flip it down.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. Now you're ready to go.
That's ready to rock and roll. Woo! Actually, the kick's not that bad.